That's the one who's got no home yet. That one there. Is it crazy time, Clifford? Oh, you're not Clifford, are you? You're Ronnie. What are you doing, you two? Don't eat his tail. Oh my goodness. Crazy pug puppy time. She's into everything, this little fawn girl I'm keeping. I don't know what we're going to call her, Gertie. No, she's there every time there's a fight or a game or anything. She gets them, doesn't she, Gertie? Gertie with the flip top head. What are you doing, you silly girl? You're insane, Gertie. Hi, Missy. Are you playing with your babies? Hello, Arlo. Hello, Junior. You've got a name. I don't know if Fleur's good enough for her. She's quite a little madam. A bit like her mother, really. Where's little Eddie? There's Eddie. He's going to Queensland. No, New South Wales. He's still got his brother there. So I'm the littlest. The littlest Bobo. You be gentle, Dio. Dio. Gentle. Gentle. Good boy, darling. You get a bit too rough. Dio, get off her. Him. Good boy. Okay, I had the opportunity today to scrub my floors. I only managed to do this bit, but you wouldn't think I'd done it. But we went to the tip as well. Another load of rubbish. Hey, puppies, you be nice to her. Good girl, Papa. Philomena, come on. That little boy. Hello. Oi, that's your sister. Not sister, but you know. Relatively speaking. Hey, dude. Are you a biter too? No, don't bite. Don't bite. That's not nice. Don't bite. Ow. You go, ow. And Letitia's got... Oh, my goodness, Letitia. It's a bit rough for the babies, you know. You okay, Bubba? No, don't bite. Don't bite. No bite. Ow! You little tiger. Why do they come alive at midnight? Maybe they're Furbies. Letitia's got the devil in her tonight. Doesn't she, Missy? Oh, that's Gertie. Me and Shadow's quietly sleeping under there, she says. So long as I leave you alone, I'm happy. She's got puppies due in 2 weeks, haven't you, Bubba? More puppies. Oh my god. I must be mad. Still, I'm going to have a big rest after that lot. Maybe up to a year off. Because I'm going to have my hip replacement done. So I don't have to limp around anymore. Hey, Mr. Eddie. 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 Gertie's beautiful. She sits like a statue guarding them. That's her job. Isn't it, Gertie? I love you, baby girl. Thank you for my beautiful puppies. And Laura had beautiful puppies too. I can't keep them all though. I've got some acid stuff to scrub the floor out there and in the laundry area. And then we can put the flooring down, hopefully. Where have they gone? Have they gone outside? The door flap's open, dog flap. The puppies haven't ventured out yet. I'm glad because it's dark and cold out there. It's -1 tonight. Centigrade, that is. Oh my god! They're all attacking each other. I put that newspaper down clean so in case the puppies wanted to weed, but nobody's weed on it yet. All they've done is run around. But just so you know, my videos aren't edited. They're real. They just happen. Because I can't be bothered to edit them. So that's all there is to it. So if you do see the odd puppy poop or something, don't panic. I clean them up, don't worry. Hello, little Eddie man. Oh no, you're eating my trousers. What are we going to call the other boy, Eddie? What should we call him? Those 3 boys are all full brothers. That one. Hello. Nameless. And Eddie. Eddie's the smallest in the litter, aren't you, Eddie? Or the cutest. Gertie's girl isn't, obviously. She's same dad but different mum. Are you having a scratch now? You watch 5 minutes from now and they'll be all flat asleep. Don't do running around. She thinks she's bigger than them. She's going to be trouble, that one. Just like Letishka. Goodness me, you've got a fat belly, Letishka. I put them all on a diet today. The boys aren't fat, but most of the girls are a little on the large side. Well, you're not alright, Gertie. But your daughter... Hey, don't you hurt your sister. She's got big rolls where the rolls shouldn't be. Hoi, hoi, careful. Oh. Excuse me. Right. She gets a bit rough sometimes and she's very heavy. She just sits on them. She squishes them, doesn't she, Lara?